Keeping your home clean shouldn't feel like a daily chore, but many robot vacuums struggle with weak suction, poor navigation, loud operation, or unreliable app control. That's why choosing the right model really matters. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaners of 2026. Smart, powerful, and designed for modern homes. These robots handle dust, pet hair, and mopping with ease, while saving you time and effort. We analyzed product specs and real user feedback to build this list. Check the description for updated prices and links. Let's get started. Number 5. Donirt Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Donirt Robot Vacuum Cleaner is an affordable entry-level option for everyday home cleaning. It supports sweeping, vacuuming, and light mopping with intelligent route planning to cover rooms efficiently. Automatic charging ensures the robot returns to its dock when the battery runs low. Its slim design allows it to clean under beds and sofas, while the quiet motor makes it suitable for daily use. Ideal for small apartments or first-time robot vacuum users, the Donirt offers basic smart cleaning at a budget-friendly price. Number 4. Liectroux LILIN X6 Robot Vacuum. The Liectroux X6 is a high-performance robot vacuum with advanced laser navigation for precise mapping and efficient cleaning. With powerful 6,500 pass suction, it easily handles dust, pet hair, and deep carpet debris. It supports wet and dry mopping, multi-floor map storage, zone cleaning, and restricted areas through the mobile app. This robot is perfect for large homes that need accurate navigation and customizable cleaning zones. Strong suction and smart control make it a premium cleaning solution. Number 3. The ABIR G20S Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The ABIR G20S combines strong 6,000 PAS suction with smart map memory for efficient and organized cleaning. It supports electric wet mopping, making it ideal for hard floors and tiles. Wi-Fi app control allows you to schedule cleanings, monitor progress, and update the system remotely. Its intelligent navigation reduces missed spots and repeated paths. Designed for busy households, the ABIR G20S delivers reliable performance for daily dust control, pet hair removal, and floor washing. Number 2. BOAIMORE Robot Vacuum Cleaner Combo Mop. The BOAIMORE Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful combo unit built for homes with pets and heavy dust. Featuring 6,000 PA suction, it easily lifts dirt from carpets and hard floors. The robot supports vacuuming and mopping in one run, with Wi-Fi and voice control compatibility for hands-free operation. Auto recharge ensures continuous cleaning without supervision. If you want strong suction, smart control, and effective pet hair cleaning, this model delivers excellent value. Number 1. Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Lefant M210 Pro is a compact yet highly efficient robot vacuum designed for smart homes. With 2,200 PA suction, it performs well on hard floors and low-pile carpets while maintaining ultra-quiet operation. It supports Wi-Fi, Alexa, app, and Bluetooth control, along with scheduled cleaning and automatic self-charging. Its slim body easily reaches tight spaces under furniture. Ideal for apartments and daily maintenance cleaning, the M210 Pro offers reliable performance in a simple, user-friendly design. Robot vacuum cleaners save time and keep your home consistently clean with minimal effort. From powerful laser-mapped models to compact smart cleaners, these 5 options cover different needs and budgets. Whether you want deep suction, mopping, or voice control, there's a perfect choice here. Let us know your favorite and subscribe for more smart home reviews.